These are 8 made in Africa cars by African manufacturers: Innocent Motors, Kantanka, Laraki, and more. Stay tuned. Africans may have been manufacturing durable, fancy, and affordable cars for some time now. However, they may not have been gaining international recognition like that of other international automobiles companies like Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, Honda, and others. From Morocco's Mohamed Laraki and Kantanka cars from Ghana, who are changing the narratives with the Made in Africa cars and innovations. The most fascinating aspect is that they are sourced for the vehicle's material locally and can compete at the international market. Innocent Motors from Nigeria. Nigerian-born entrepreneur Innocent Chukwuma is the founder and developer of the Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company in Nigeria. They are the first technology company to manufacture cars in Nigeria. At the moment, Innocent Motors is one of the biggest car manufacturers on the continent. So far, it has produced luxury vehicles, minibuses, and trucks. Innocent cars are already on sale and in use in Nigeria. Innocent has released 500 Nigerian-made cars at a cost of between 1.5 naira to 3.5 million naira. It produces a very wide variety of cars, and because of this is able to attract the patronage of the Nigerian government. From their plant in Nwe, Anambra State, Nigeria, Innocent assembles various vehicles, some of which are pickup vans, SUVs, and buses. Some of its models are Innocent Fox, Innocent Umu, and Innocent Gen 5, which is an SUV. Next on the list is Kantanka cars, made in Ghana. The Kantanka cars are an automobile company that was established in Ghana by Dr. Engineer Kojosafo Kantanka, a Ghanaian engineer. The Kantanka produces both saloon and four-wheel drives. The company also has SUVs, which include the Inkunimdie and the Kantanka Opaso. There is also the Kantanka Onantefour 4x4 pickup. And at the moment, some Africans are already owners of this proudly made in Ghana car. They are on sale in a variety of colors and models. We have the Kantanka SUV, the Kantanka pickup, and others. In case you want to see for yourself, the Kantanka Automobile Company manufacturing plant is located in Gomwa, Mpota, in the central region of Ghana. And also, you can check more of Kantanka's recent innovations on YouTube. The most recent and adventurous development from this company is the Kantanka Odenehu V8 and Okatachi that looks like Mercedes G-Wagon. Laraki from Morocco. Founded in Morocco by Mohamed Laraki, a businessman and car designer, in 1999. The Casablanca-based car company started operations by manufacturing yachts and later moved to the manufacturing of luxurious supercars. The first car it produced is the Laraki Fulgura, and that was in 2002. The car was powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine and makes use of the 1991 Lamborghini Diablo. It makes use of the 1991 Lamborghini Diablo chassis. Borak was its next car, followed by Epitome, and from then on, the company has kept growing and evolving. In 2013, Laraki Epitome concept is sold for $2 million. It has a V8 engine, 1,100 horsepower, and a speed that is estimated at 175 miles per hour. Larakis are strictly concept cars, custom built for each customer, and were ranked among the most expensive cars in the world in 2015 and priced at over $2 million each. Wallis car, made in Tunisia. The small but powerful Wallis car is manufactured in La Masa, Tunisia. Founded in 2006, the company is known for building four affordable, reliable, and powerful 4x4s. Despite the size of its vehicles, which are similar to Suzuki and Skoda. According to reports from 2014, the company sells over 600 units a year, predominantly in Africa and the Middle East, but also as far as Panama and Europe. The company's plans include making its sporty, colorful off-road vehicles more environmentally friendly, as well as trying its hands on international off-road motorsport. Kira Motors Corporation (KMC) is a Ugandan automotive company that comes in a different way from other automobile companies we've mentioned before. KMC is interested in creating a hybrid electronic vehicle. It was launched in 2014 by the engineering students of University of Makerere, who participated in the Vehicle Design Summit launched by MIT students in 2006. The company is backed up by the government of Uganda. In its line of cars, the Kira has Kayula Solar Bus, Kira EV Smart, and Kira EV POC or something like that, which has a battery bank capacity of 40 amps per hour and 207 volts. A two-seater car. As a two-seater car, it is powered by a 26 horsepower. The line of cars produced by Kira may signal the new dawn for Uganda's automotive industry. On the list again, we have the Birkin cars. Now these cars, I can say that it's a real nice car. I think I'll have to buy one in the future. Birkin is among the oldest cars made in Africa. The South Africa-based automotive company began in 1982 by John Watson. The car sells in different parts of the world, including United States, Japan, and across Europe. Known for quality classic reproductions, Birkin cars include the SS3 Street Series and the CS3 Clubman Series 3. Saruk El Jamahiriya, hope I got it right, launched in 1999 by Libya's former leader, Colonel Muammar Gaddafi. Gaddafi invented this rocket car to be the fastest and safest car in Africa. Okay, maybe not the fastest, but I mean, of course, the safest car in Africa and the world. The 5-passenger saloon car has an inbuilt electronic defense system, a collapsible bumper, and protects passengers in head-on collisions, as well as an interior that is designed with airbags to make it extremely safe. The car is 17 feet long, over 6 feet wide, comes with a 3-liter V6 gasoline engine. It has also the ability to run hundreds of miles on a flat tire and can easily cut off fuel supply in case of fire. Wow, what a car, man! Even the prototype of the car cost 2 million euros. It was intended that it would be mass produced at 50,000 euros. I think all these things have gone down the drain since he died. Mobius Motors, made in Africa cars. The Mobius Motors released the first batch of their low-cost vehicles towards the end of last year. The multi-purpose vehicle, which cost about $10,000, was manufactured for Africa's mass market. The Kenyan company that took up the audacious task of producing low-cost vehicles for Africa's off-road and rough terrain plans to increase production of a newer, more advanced model next year after an optimistic reception of its Pioneer model. It anticipates the new Mobus 2, which will be a more enhanced version of its Pioneer model and will have advanced features such as a better interior and exterior appearance, power steering, sealed side windows, and a much higher ground clearance. The expectation is that the enhanced model will gain an even better reception in the East African market. As we all are well aware, Africa has been a consumer and not much of a producer, but over the years, when it comes to cars and other manufacturing sectors, the level of consumption is almost alarming and no one ever thinks of production. Last year, Africa was estimated to have bought about 2 million new cars. As change is inevitable, some African entrepreneurs have refused to be left out in the very lucrative automobile industry, and with the increasing patronage they get, their dreams might well just be a reality with more entrepreneurs in the space and with support from governments and corporations paving the way for Africa's homegrown automotive industry. This might be the rise of an automotive boom for Africa. Time will tell. Let's wait and see. Are there any cars that you think I left out or you think are must be recognized? Drop down those cars, the names of those cars in comments below for a review.